Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. I am Dr. Deepthi and we are talking about crystallography. We already looked at what exactly a group is and what the axioms are. Here let us see how set of integers form a group with the operation of addition. So here the group is set of integers, negative integers, 0, positive integers. Now let us look at the property of closure. So take any two integers, for example, if you take say 7 and minus 4. If I combine them, what do I have? 3. In this way, you can take any two integers and if you add them, you are going to get another integer. So that means the property of closure is true. What about identity? Now, in the case of set of integers, when they are the group here, the identity element is essentially 0 because any number added to 0 or 0 added to any number gives back that number. 5 plus 0 is 5 itself, or minus 7 plus 0 is minus 7 itself. So there is an identity element. What about associativity? So consider any three elements, for example, say 5, 4 and 7. If I first add 5 and 4, that gives me 9, and to it if I add 7, it gives me 16. Similarly, if I add 4 and 7 first, that is 11, and to that if I add 5, that also gives me 16. So the property of associativity is also holding true. What about invertibility? Well, since 0 is the identity element, obviously for any integer, any positive integer, its negative counterpart is going to be the inverse. And for any negative integer, its positive counterpart is going to be the inverse. For example, for say plus 19, you will have minus 19 as the inverse because when you add both of them together, they give you 0, the identity element. So all the four axioms are satisfied, and so we know that set of integers, which we usually denote as capital Z, forms a group with addition operation.